So here we are on the final leg of the project. I'm getting ready to put the spacers on and get the wheels mounted here. But one of the things that was bothering me was this bumper area right here that was sticking out. It looked like this, very sharp, and was really the only part that was close to the tires. I was concerned about that. I didn't want that sticking out like that, so I just got in with a little ball peen hammer and peen that sharp edge down flat on both sides. So now it's kind of flat. Before it was very flared out, and I really didn't like that too much. So just a couple of taps and took care of that. So anyway, now onto the spacers. Okay. All right, I got the spacers, 12-inch or 12 millimeter half-inch spacers, and they fit on the car. The thing I don't like is the studs are 12 millimeter, the holes are 14, so it's got a little bit of movement there, which I don't know if that's going to cause much of a problem, but I don't like it. So what I did was I got some little nylon spacers that will go hopefully in the get in there. Hard to do that one-handed. Like that. And what that's going to do, put one on each one, that's going to tighten that up, center everything. It's not going to cause any problems, I don't think. All it's there for is to center this on the stud. And once the wheel's bolted on, it's not going to matter anyway, but I'm going to leave these little nylon spacers in there, and that's going to keep that from moving like that. Okay, the final verdict is in. I just got back from my drive, and it drives great. Handles well. The little bit of noise clunking when I put the brakes on, backing up and going forward, is gone. That was from my worn splines on the hubs. So that's completely gone. Car silent. What else? The exhaust, removing that front muffler or resonator or whatever the hell it was, made all the difference in the world as far as I can tell. I'm not getting the sound of the exhaust like under my feet. That muffler was mounted right under my seat. I'm not getting any of that anymore. I'm just getting an exhaust note from the tailpipe, and that's it. So yeah, it's a big win. I will say that it does change the classic looks of the car a lot, and I'm having a bit of a time getting used to not seeing the wire wheels on the car. Incidentally, the front could actually be lowered just a little bit, but all in all, done. Drives great. Time to take a road trip.